Did you know a grandfather's kind smile once hid one of America's most twisted killers? Albert Fish looked like everyone's harmless grandpa. But in 1928, this monster lured 10-year-old Grace Budd away from her family with promises of a birthday party that would never come. What happened next was pure evil. Fish murdered Grace, then did something so horrific it defies imagination. He cooked and ate her. But here's where it gets even darker. 6 years later, Fish decided Grace's parents hadn't suffered enough. He wrote them a letter describing exactly how he prepared their daughter's body, which parts he enjoyed most, how she tasted. That letter became his downfall. Police traced the paper back to a boarding house and finally caught the monster. At his execution, Fish called it the supreme thrill of his life. But the most disturbing discovery came from his X-ray. Doctors found 29 needles he'd shoved into his own body for twisted pleasure. Sometimes the most dangerous predators hide behind the most innocent faces.